bush. Come with me and let's go. Well, howdy y'all. I'm Radar from Southern Bush Motorsports, here with another very tall Tales from the Bush. We were way down in the deep south in and around Lower Texas. I bet there was over 200 classic cars jammed away on this desert property. The craziest part of all these cars was they were all mostly convertibles. Also, all of these classic cars were almost totally rust-free. Let's go take a walk around. Come on, let's go. Well, howdy all you loyal collector car fans. I'm Radar from Southern Bush Motorsports, and I am here to tell you another sweet tale from the bush. We were down in the deep south in the lower part of southern Texas. It was hot and dry, and we were called to check out and verify some collections of classic cars. So let's go check out these sweet rides. As you can see behind me, we have 1969 G2 convertible. Here's the lowdown of the yard here in Texas. Most of the classic cars here were convertibles. They were all pretty much untouched cars that had been towed off the highway back in the day. Almost all were totally complete like this goat behind me. All super solid. I'm gonna go walk around some more. Behind me here is a 1968 414 convertible. I'm not gonna lie here. It is a rough one, but it is untouched, complete and super soiled. It is a perfect candidate for a well-deserved, and as were all the cars here. Let's keep on checking out the yard. Behind me here is a 1968 442 convertible. I'm not gonna lie here. It is a rough one, but it is untouched, complete and super soiled. It is a perfect candidate for a well-deserved, and as for all the cars here. Let's keep on checking out the yard. Now we are over in this part of the yard. This is a Ford Torino convertible. No question she is a little rough, but it's definitely solid and only surface rust from what I can see. Looks like the original motor is out of it. I would still restore this one. It would make a great project car. They only wanted $2,000 for it too. Okay, let's keep on going and move to another part of the yard.
collector car fans out there. I'm Radar from Southern Bush Motorsports. I am here to do a full concept review of the sick but this is not just any old car. This is a 100% yes, sir. You heard me right. I found it on eBay. Just wanted to show off that it is very important. Car first, before you. So let's get started, shall we?
Howdy, y'all collector car fans out there. I'm Rhoda from Southern Bush Motorsports. Today, I will do a full consult and online inspection on the car you see here. It is always super important before you actually buy any collector car. You should always have an inspection done by an experienced, well-trained professional consultant. Now, I have a very special treat for you today. Behind me here is a 1970 Plymouth Superbird. But boy oh boy, this is not just any old Superbird. No sir, this is a 426, all original, 100% numbers matching Hemi Superbird, plus it has a 4-speed transmission with a pistol grip shifter. We in the collector car field call this a holy grail find. I cannot wait to look over this beauty any longer.